In this video, I'll be showing you how to install Minecraft on a Centos server running a 64-bit operating system. First things we'll want to do is get the tools to connect to the server. So most likely you'll want FileZilla and either PuTTY or Eggshell. I prefer Eggshell. You can either buy it or there's a free license. It's up to you for your usage. In this example, we'll be using Eggshell, but I'll run over PuTTY real quickly. So we've downloaded both of these, and now what we'll want to do is connect to the server. So we'll do File, Site Manager, create a new site. As you see right here, you can name it whatever you like. Okay. Then the host name will be the IP address of the server, which will be this, that is provided by your host. Put the IP address in there. The port we'll use will always be 22, unless you've changed that, but most likely you haven't. Then the protocol we'll use is SFTP, because we're using root credentials, not regular FTP. And we'll do normal. The username will be root, and then your root password goes there. And you click connect. I'm already connected, as you can see, so we'll leave that the way it is. If you're using PuTTY, the same thing, you'll put your IP address there of your server. Same thing, port 22. I'm going to log in as root, and then with the password. And you're in the server with PuTTY. And for our example, we'll be using Eggshell. I prefer Eggshell. And we'll use SSH root at and the IP address of your server. And the password. And now we are in the server. Once we are in the server with the SSH client, most VPSs or dedicated servers won't come with it installed by default. So what you want to do is yum install screen. I already have it installed, so it doesn't hurt to run it to see if it's already installed. And then you'll need to install something to edit files with. I use Vim. So you do a yum search. Did I spell that right? Yum search Vim. I use the minimal version, so this one right here. Copy yum install, paste, and enter that. I already have it installed, so we're not going to install it. Once those are installed, the next thing you'll need to do is install Java on the server. So we will open up files. Well, first we need to get the Java. So we will go to this link, which I will provide in the bottom of the video tutorial. Download the JDK, accept the license. Then we will use, since we're using 64-bit, we'll use the 64-bit RPM. Click download. Then you will go to your file manager, and you will start off in /root the first time you log in. But what we'll do is, for this video, we'll just go to /, and this is what's located in /. Then what you'll do is you'll take the JDK Java that you just downloaded, transfer it over to here. Probably pull all this down so that you don't drop it into a folder. So grab it here, drag it, and there it is. I've already uploaded it. Then the next thing you'll do is go back to your client, and you'll go back to the location that it's located in. So we'll go to cd/, then we can do ls to display the files, and as you see, I have it right here. So we'll copy that, do an RPM-I and paste it in there. It's already installed, so, and you can also check Java-version. As you see, it's there. So now we have Java installed. We have the basic Linux things that you'll need, which is a screen and some type of editor, which was Vim. Now that we have those installed, the next thing to do will be to install Bukkit. So what we'll want to do is go to Bukkit, download this or an alternate version, which is good for when there's updates to Minecraft and Bukkit doesn't have the release yet. There's development builds that are compatible with the new Minecraft releases. So you can download the recommended build. Once that is complete, you'll go back to your file manager. You'll navigate to home, and then you'll create a directory. We'll call this one Minecraft 2. So as you see, we have Minecraft 2. Put the Bukkit inside of there. And as you see, the path is home Minecraft 2. And as that's uploading, we will go now back to your command prompt and we will go to that location, cd home Minecraft 2, enter. And now we're there, and we'll do an ls, and there's the file. So what we're going to want to do is they put the development builds into here, but the command to run Bukkit is calling for this file. So we want to rename it to that file. So what we'll do is a simple mv craftbucket.jar, paste that in there, or type it to craftbucket.jar. And we do an ls, and as you see, it's changed the name. Just to be safe, we will do a chmod +x craftbucket.jar. Now what we're going to want to do is start Bukkit. So we're going to need to start what's called a screen session. So we can do screen-s, which allows you to name it. We'll call it Minecraft 2 will be the name of the screen session, because if we just run Bukkit right now the way it is and we X out of here, it will shut down the Bukkit server. So we'll leave it, we'll put it in the screen session. Now we're in the screen session. Make sure we're in the same directory, which we are, or you can navigate to it. And there it is. Then what we'll do is we'll run the command. To start Minecraft. And as you see, it started. The first time it will give a couple errors because it didn't find the files that it needed, but it's creating those files as it's doing. So right now we have Bukkit server up and running, and to exit this screen session, we'll do a Control-AD, which pulls us out of there, and it leaves, as you can see, the screen session is still running right here, the screen. And to enter the screen again, screen-R, and we're in there. And that's it. That's basically how to install it. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.